Okay, guys, welcome another day of streaming. We are just 1 minute and 5 seconds more or less until we're gonna pull the trigger. We had NFP today, so I don't really know how it's gonna move. As you see here to the left, we have already had a crazy move on NFP, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. We have 45 seconds. Then we pull the trigger. So if you haven't seen this before, I'm gonna explain just after I have started this trade. But it's more or less it's a hedging strategy that we do here. So yeah, you see here countdown. When it gets 30 here, we're gonna go. It might be that we already had a move today, so it's not gonna have. Now I pull the trigger. Okay, one position. Yes. What we do here is that we open a buy position and we reach for this target. If we move down to the lower hedge area here, then we change direction. So we close the position and change. As you will see, we'll probably do now again. We had already done it twice in very short time. So we are in minus 0.3%, 0.45%. And now we are in a sell position here. So if we reach this area, we are reaching our 1% profit target as well. So it doesn't matter if it moves up here or down here. The only thing that we want is that price moves, not consolidates like you do now. It's not really optimal that we have already like 3 or 4, yeah, 5. This is the 5th position. So, and we are down 0.76%. We're gonna change now again. Wow, this is not really good. So we are down 1.26%. So we'll see now if we're gonna move down or up. We have been consolidating here for a while now, and this does not look good. If you have seen the streams before, we do this at 3:30 every day, 3:30, because that's New York. Because at New York Open, 3:30, we always, or more often than not, see a move. This is not good. This is the only thing. Wow, it just goes back and forth all the time. It's already 3% drawdown, so this is going to be a terrible, terrible trade if it doesn't start to moving now. Come on, baby. Start, go down, 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 down. So yeah, this is what the strategy does. We were not supposed to trade this today, but or I decided in the last minutes that okay, I'm gonna do it anyway. So we'll see if that paid off or if it was a bad move. Most often it's a bad move. When you think that you're gonna do something, just stick to that, because when you change it, like oh, I should open here, and you don't, then it's gonna be a winner. Or if you say that no, I'm not gonna trade the news, or I'm not gonna trade this and this hour, and you do it anyway, I mean that's often when you lose. But yeah, if we just move down now, we are gonna end up good anyway. So I will see. Yeah. Have you been looking at the streams before, or is this the first time? Please leave a comment. It's always interesting to see if I got people returning or. Okay, that really sucked. Really sucked. We're in the 10th position. And we're in heavy drawdown, 3%, and we only have 4.3% to go. So it's more like 2 more positions. So if we go up and then maybe down again, it's more or less gonna be a big loss. So it could be wise to close now, but I am not gonna do it. I'm gonna hold it and see if we can move down even further, maybe to break even or to even make a profit. But I don't like this. We now have 4 big 1-minute candles, or big, but 4-minute candles. And you see we were, so maybe we have some retracement now. That would not be good. Yeah, after sun there is rain. After big moves there is pullback. So So let's see, we're probably gonna go up again. If we do continue down, I mean it's a scary trade, but it's a profit trade. So I don't know if we're gonna close at break even or what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna close and then it's gonna just move down to the bottom. But you see it goes up and down really fast now. The current profit is in total with the, I'm gonna close now at break. Yeah, now. Yeah. So I'm gonna see now how much I got today. It was probably -100 or something. No, 278. It was worth removing the risk because I was in position 10 out of 12. So it's not really good to stay in the trade. But here we see the trade. So if we just stick on the stream a while and we see if we would have ended up in a profit trade or not. We're really close to the profit target. So, and it's around this area. It's not exactly this area because it's very hard to calculate with the commissions, etc. So, but what it does is it looks at the total money and looks at the history, trade history, sums up all the losses and adds this profit trade, and then it goes for this target in money. So when it has that, it closes, and it can be down here, or it can be around here, but it's almost never exactly at the line if it's not the first position. So yeah, this was a scary trade. You have seen me do a lot of trades if you follow me on the streams earlier, and you have seen me do a lot of trades that just went like on the first position, boom, to the target. And some of them use like 4 or 5 or 6 positions, but when you use 10 positions within the first few minutes, that's scary because it can easily go up and down. But I mean, that's the name of the game. Now I managed to get out at 0.27% loss. It's totally fine. Yesterday I did 0.75 or 0.78% profit. So it's I mean, some days you don't win, and if you can manage your risk and do not lose 4.3% and instead lose only like I did now 0.27, I mean that's a win for me. Even though it goes down out to the target, I reduced my risk. So but anyway, and now I'm seem pretty happy because now it's moving up. So now we would have been in like 2k drawdown or something. Yeah, this is scary. I have another guy doing this, and he did not exit here. He is still in the trade, so I think that he is in heavy drawdown now, and now he's pretty scared. But this is, I mean, risk before profits. Never get greedy and think that you are. Now we see, no, but risk before profits. I mean, if I can reduce the amount of times I lose money, and increase the amount of times I win money, I mean, I know I'm gonna be on top and earn money. So it's simple math. But so this was, but I had this feeling. I had a feeling today about NFP that it was gonna move. Even though NFP was 1 hour before I opened this trade, it's 1 hour and 10 minutes ago. I had a feeling that it's not good. It's a strange day to trade. Oh, come on now, you need to move up now. Now it's 11th position, my friend. I really hope for you, my friend, that I'm talking to you in Messenger. I don't want to name you by name, but oh no, this does not look good for you. Come on, move up. I know I'm still not in the trade, but move up for my friend. I hate when people lose money. I don't know. I had some new subscribers since I started with this on robertsfx.com, and I've got some pretty happy people because they don't use this only on like I do on US 100. They use it at other instruments, US 30. They use it on gold. They use it on GBP USD. And I mean, as long as they find a currency pair or instrument that moves, they are winning. So, and they are so far they are happily winners. I haven't had any sad customers so far. We have soon a new 15-minute candle. Yeah, there we saw a spike in spread. Let's see now if it spikes up. Come on, baby. Yeah, it's moving now. Yeah, it's moving. Yes. Moving up. Move. Continue to move now. Yes, 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 yes. Haha. Well, I'm still happy, even though this one moves up here to my target. I am super happy that I got out of the trade, because I was in 12 out of around 13 positions before I reached max drawdown, or maybe 12 positions. And now let's see here. We have like 1 minute to 1 minute to a new 15-minute candle. It can absolutely change direction and come down. We had a little up and a retest here on this area before moving up, so let's hope it just continue up. He so deserves to have a win. He has been in this and is really sweating. I want to see his face. Yeah. Yes, he closed in profit. Yeah, he closed. He has a 50K account. He closed in 90 profit. I think it was a good call to close there, but we'll see. I mean, look at all these white candles. It's just okay. Sorry about that. Yeah. Yeah, I invited the guy to do a Zoom call with me someday to see just to trade together, because we trade exactly the same here. He uses my robot, and we trade exactly the same at the same time, and we always talk on Messenger. So it would be fun to have you on board if you'd like that someday. I told him just now I want to see his face. It's gonna be really funny. You know, when you're in so much pain, when you're in drawdown and you're so close to dying with the trade, like we were, and he had an even worse situation, because I closed down here, as you see. He ride all the way up, but I mean, look at all these white candles. When is the black coming? It should be coming, but if it doesn't, yeah, he closed like, I think around here. Would that be around that area? Let's see if that was a good area. But yeah, I think he did a really nice close. I mean, look at this. Now the black candle is incoming. After sun, there's rain. After pushes, there's pullbacks. It's always like that. So, yeah. Yeah, you closed so good. But, you know, it's good. Krish, is that correct? Pronounced Krish? But look at your exit. I mean, that was a very nice exit. You had a little stronger stomach than me. I closed down here. You closed up here. Somehow you ended up in 90 US dollars profit, so that's good. I mean, after this drawdown, we deserve a full profit, but it's also very good to get out of the trade. We don't want to, I mean, imagine now that it goes down here and opens another position, then we are fucked. So Krish. We did good today. It was a scary moment. We were talking about not trading today, but we did anyway because we are greedy motherfuckers. And yeah, it almost ruined our weekend, right? I need to have a... Wow, this was... Why? Need to have a protein bar. It's like, if you know... Come on. If you know Snickers... Have you eaten Snickers? Of course you have. This tastes like Snickers, but it's full of protein and no real sugar, so it's very nice. I'm preparing. We are building a gym in the garage because I lost my trading appetite completely after Corona. So we're building a gym in the garage, and because we have a garage for like 4 cars or 5 cars. I don't know, 1, 2, no, yeah, maybe 4 cars can be in there, and so we are taking one area and building a gym. So I need to prepare with some protein because my body is really in protein deficit. What do you say? I only eat like pasta and candy and shit. Yeah, Krish, that was really scary. But now you know, now you have the feeling, you know, you feel it in your stomach when you're in a bad situation, and that's so good to just get out of the trade. Mm. Or I have another friend who trades this strategy. He also tried to trade NFP today. No, he didn't trade NFP today, but he traded US 30 now. He was minus 0.7%, and I was minus... So yeah, we are a few people that trades like this, and it's a nice way to trade. It's different. I mean, we don't need to decide on a direction. We trade in the direction that the price moves. If it goes up, we win up here. If it goes down, we win down here, because we change direction. Buy from this line and sell from this line. So it's pretty nice. But if it goes up and down like it did here, look at all these trades. It was 9 trades. No, 10 trades here. So open the first position and then close 9 more times. It was really scary. So I'm happy to get out. But I think this motherfucker is gonna go up. But okay, let's see. What do you guys think? Should we move up here? Will we move up here or not? Time will tell. Time will tell. Wow. Okay, guys, if you're looking at this today, I just tested to change my price on FTMO Academy. usually my goal is to take 799 euros for the course, lifetime access, and you get access to the trade spider that let's see if I have it somewhere here. Yeah, here, FTMO Academy trade spider. And but I have been taking an introduction price for 199 euros. I think it's a small fee compared to what you get. You get a working strategy that you can pass FTMO with. And today I did just a test to see if it made any difference, because I have like 500 unique visitors every day on my webpage. It's insane, but it's a lot of people from like India, Pakistan, etc. They don't have a lot of money. So what I did was I tried to lower the price to 39 and 59 euros. So that's the price on the website now. So if you hurry up, I'm gonna change back tomorrow, but if you hurry up today, you can get that price for the course. And I mean, that's nothing. But it was so fun to see. I've gotten, let's see here today. I cannot show you this because then I'm gonna reveal their mail addresses, and I don't think they will be happy about that. But here we see here 39, 39, 39, 39, 39, 59, 39, 59, 39. What I did was an A/B test, because I want to try to see at which price can I get people to pay for the course. I tried 200, I tried 400, I tried 99, I tried 39, 59, I tried monthly. I'm just doing a lot of A/B tests to see where the best level is, because I don't want people to pay like $9 and then they ask me a million questions because they are not really serious. I want people that at least open their pocket a little bit to feel that, okay, I'm investing in this, and by investing in this, I also invest my time in this. Because if you buy something for €1, you're gonna look at it and, oh shit, this is shit, and you move on to the next thing. But if you pay, just for an example, 10 grand, 10,000 euro, you're gonna be pretty gonna put in a lot of effort to make that strategy work, or that course to work. So I don't want to be too cheap, because I don't want to have a cheap service. I want to be able to answer all of the people's questions. I want to be, people are texting me on Instagram, on Telegram every day, asking me questions, and I want to be able to do that. But if I charge like €9 and I got 10,000 customers, I will not be able to do that. So the less I charge, the worse support I will be able to give each and every person. And I don't want to be like all the rest of these trading gurus that sell courses. I wanna actually be able to help and provide value for real. So I'm trying out to see where is a good. I mean, this is too many in one day. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 people in one day. And the day is not over, and I did it half passed through the day. So let's say I get like 30 payments today, and 30 payments, 30 times 30, that's 900 a month. If you have that every day, which you will not, times 12 months, it's 11,000 customers per year. I will never be able to help those guys. Then I need to hire people, and with the low fees, I will not be able to hire people. So it's a moment 22. Moment 22. It's I can't do it. So, but if you have a look at FTMO Academy, this is at least a good day to buy it, because it's never gonna be this cheap again. Just trying out. I have spent like 4,000 euros on marketing, and I've gotten in maybe 5,500 so far. So, but I put a lot of time and effort into this, and this morning I took a trade on gold. I'm gonna show it to you. Yeah, here I took a trade on gold this morning. Oh, you don't see it. Here it is. Live in the Telegram channel. Write some stuff about non-farm payroll, about the trade, and also uploaded my daily routine, where I show you how I look through the instrument scanner and how I take the trades and how I set up the trade spider to be optimal settings for your account size, etc. So it takes me a lot of time to do this, and so far I've gotten. I will be honest, not everyone is happy. I got one guy yesterday. He says that, "Oh, what is this? It's only 1 hour course. I paid 69 euros because yesterday I had a test to pay monthly 69 euros." And he was like, he was not happy at all. But it turns out that this guy was where am I? I want to see this. This guy was pretty experienced trader, so the concept is really simple. What I teach in FTMO Academy, and so he was not happy with it, but he didn't even give it a chance, and he probably bought the course because he's not a profitable trader. So why? That's his ego coming in the way. Oh shit, this is simple. I should have thought about this myself, but I didn't, and now this guy charged me for it, and he doesn't even want to try it out. So but then most of the time I've had super happy people. They write to me that, "Oh, I'm so happy it's only 1 hour course. I'm so happy that you explain it in such a simple way, and that the trade spider helps you decide where the profit target are, and how to calculate the lot size. You don't have to do anything. You just drag the target line to where you want to have it. You set up the stop loss to be around 1 to 5 risk to reward, and then you how many positions we want to be using in the trade, and then I mean it's pretty straightforward. We don't have to guess in which direction. It's pretty similar to this strategy, but we use a mathematical formula to calculate our target, which has a 75 to 85% hit rate. So it's similar to this strategy, because we don't have to decide on direction, because we never know direction. But in the other strategy, we do pretty much the same, but we trade, instead of change the direction, we trade in the same direction. So open a buy, and if they close, open another buy, and open another buy, open up, blah, 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 blah. Because then when we do that, we do not have to come to the initial target price to have a winning trade. So if we have 75 to 85% probability of hitting the target, there is 15 to 25% of the days that you do not hit the target. So if you are able to have a winning or a break-even trade, even those days, that's amazing. So that's why I combine the target calculation with position management, where I split each trade into multiple positions, and you can decide yourself how many positions, and you can see exactly how much the risk increases, etc. But yeah, enough about FTMO Academy. It's looking at this trade, I think we are pretty happy, both me and Krish, that we closed the trades. He closed it up here, I closed it down here. So he got out with a little profit. He deserved a little profit. I was a bit more scared, so I didn't deserve the same profit as he did. He took another ride up here, opened another position. If it's, look here, this wick here, if it went down there, he would probably have lost 4.3% today. Oh my god, I talked a lot. I'm warm in my face. It would be fun to see how many people mute me. Okay, well, we have been in the stream for 33 minutes, more or less. We started a trade at 3:30, and we would still not be in a winning trade. We were really close down here. We were really close up here to the target, but so far we haven't reached the target, and now we're moving back to equilibrium. or what the fuck they call it. Look now, Krish, it's moving back down to your entry level. You would have been really sad you didn't close up there if you let it open. Yeah, now he would have been open. My friend that traced this. Fuck, I want to open a trade now. I think it's gonna move now. No, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. No. Greed is really one thing that you need to control in trading. Greed is gonna make you, well, at some times, if you close profits early like I do, you are gonna be maybe better off by closing some of the trades when you earn more money than I do. I close a bit early. Oh, I'm warm. Okay, this must be the. I have like a, what is it called? Uh, element. Yeah, it's called element in English, according to Google Translate. Because the air conditioner here is a bit, it's kind of broken. So let me see here if I can show you. I have 40 is too short. Show you guys. I want to show you how it looks in here. Here we have events. We had some friends over yesterday. So we had some friends over yesterday. So we removed some stuff from the living room. Yeah, bad angle. I'm gonna do some. I'm gonna do a desk setup someday. I have a lot of stuff here. Hmm. So now it's the weekend again. Now it's weekend again. That's really boring because then the market is closed. I don't know how you feel about it. But after today, I was sweating a bit because of the trade that almost killed me. So I'm happy to get out of the trade. But as we see now, if we would have kept the trade, we might have ended up in... Look, here we took some risk. Risk to reward is something that goes hand in hand. Wait. Yeah, risk to reward goes hand in hand with each other. So if you risk more, you win more. And this, I had this risk. I was at position 10 and I closed it. So I was a little minus. He came up, the price came up here, and my friend Krish, he closed at plus 100 or something, because he took a little more risk. He had a little more patience. So, and if price now moves down here, that would mean that you have taken even more risk, open another position. So you had been at the last position. So if price moves down here now, that's a perfect example for risk goes hand in hand with the reward. But sometimes you risk too much and you get no reward. So it's hard to know the fine line where that is. Would be fun to see where we're going here. I'm gonna update my stream name. Friday minus 0.27 loss live forex trading. Totally honest. It's important. I'm showing profits. I'm showing losses. That's the only way to do it, because I mean, you guys, you must have seen on Facebook or, I mean, everywhere, that how many scammers there are out there. They only want to sell you signals and shit that doesn't work, and account management. Wow, that's scary. I had one guy today. He was really, really onto me and was like, "Yeah, I'm the best trader in the world. Blah blah blah. I want to manage your account." I was like, but if you are the best trader in the world, then you don't need my account. You can start with $10 and you can build it up. But yeah, it is this forex industry. It's full of shit. Full of shit. Okay, let's see. Are we moving up or are we moving down to target? Would be fun to see this before I close the stream and the stream for today. I don't know. These streams are really taking a lot of time for me. It's 1 or 2 hours that I'm stuck every day, and even though I like them, I'm not sure it's worth keeping them up, because I don't have enough subscribers on my channel yet. So by having 1 or 2 or 3 people, or okay, we had 14 today, look at the stream, it's not really worth the time, because normally I can just sit and look at the trade, and I can do some other stuff, do some work, etc. Oh, guys, and I didn't want to talk about it, but I'm really close selling Most of my part in my company that I had for 17 years, we are acting now in 3 countries: Netherlands, Germany since a few days, and Sweden since 17 years. And it's gonna be the deal of my life so far. So pretty excited to see the next chapter in my life, how it's gonna turn out. But you know, an exit, if you're a business owner, you know what I'm talking about. An exit is an exit. It's always nice. You know, you have that safety line on your bank account. No matter what happens, you will be okay. If you don't just waste your money on stupid stuff. But if you plan it well and if you invest it decent, you don't need to worry for the rest of your life. And I mean, that's what every entrepreneur and business owner are looking for. But to me, it's pretty funny because we are in a situation where our company is really growing now. We have just 8 months ago, we started in Netherlands, and we are soon the biggest company doing what we do in Netherlands after just 8 months. We're the biggest in Sweden, and we have been so for almost 16 out of 17 years. And now we're in Germany, and we have got like 150 customers in 2 days. And Germany is so much bigger than Sweden. So if we just if we have the same market penetration in Germany as we have in Sweden, wow! I just say wow, would be sick. But so even though if the buyers withdraw in the last second, it doesn't matter because we're in such a good place with the company. So I will probably earn a lot more money by keeping my percentage in the company. I now own 50% of it, and my partner owns another 50%. And we will probably earn a lot more if we just keep the company and keep growing. The problem is that we need a little bit of more money than we earn to be able to grow in these countries, because it's pretty big countries, and we need to put in a lot of money, maybe 3 million euros or so the coming 2 years to be able to grow. I don't have the exact numbers in my head, but yeah. But it's exciting times. But we need for the company's sake, it's gonna be good with new fresh energy, because me and my partner have run this for 17 years, and we are wouldn't say done with it because we love the company, it's our little baby, but it's better with new people, new fresh ideas, new fresh energy, and also some more stronger capital than we have to be able to grow faster. It's gonna be good for the company. I'm not selling, or we are not selling the whole company. We are keeping some percentage, so we will benefit from this ride anyway. Which is it's a win-win situation. We will own less, but we will own less out of more. So it will probably be worth 3 times more the percentage we keep than what we have today. So it's gonna be good for everyone. It's gonna be good for everyone, especially for the company to have more muscles to grow. It's gonna be fun for all the employees. They will have, a better work environment and better owners. Probably, or we are pretty good owners, but yeah. Oh, is it gonna go down, or is it? What are we gonna do here? What are we doing? Wow. Use 100 moves a lot. No, not use 100, Euro USD. Look at this. Look at this, baby. Oh well, I want to trade more. It's boring to trade one trade per day, but it is what it is. I have learned that trading less gives me more profits. I focus on maybe 1 or 2 trades per day. Like in FTMO Academy, I did a trade today live in the Telegram channel on gold, a buy trade, and it turned out to be 0.75% or 0.72% profit for one trade. I mean, that's awesome results, and if you can do that over and over again, day after day, gives you a good profits. Yeah, come on, look now, it's gonna move down. I'll send it a screenshot again. Fuck me. If I would have held the trade, I would have been at my last position at 10, 11, 12. Yeah, at the 12th position. And so close to target, I would probably be up like 200 now or so. And down here, 1,000. But it would have been very scary. Very, very scary. Okay, now it's at the target, so... Okay. Well, I didn't want to risk it all, so I didn't deserve the full profits. I got a little slight... Yes. Yeah, Chris, you're totally right. We have a good start now from Monday. We're still up. I'm only up 1.7% on this challenge, but it's I mean, I'm still up. I could have ended up in a loss today, minus 4.3%. So I would have been at 98k. So it feels good. Yes. But okay, anyway, this is gonna end the stream now. And I hope you enjoy this, and I hope you get some value from this. And even though if you don't rent my robots, you can just take what you see here. You can do the calculations manually to do the trades, and you close the trades and you sell the trade at a certain level. But it's very hard because with the slippage, it's gonna move up and down a bit, and this robot, it really tries to stay in the same hedge area all the time, because we don't want all of a sudden the hedge area to be down here, because then we have a new condition in the market. We want to start from this area, so when it moves out in this area, we can breathe, we can just relax and look for a winning trade. But if we got slippage and boom, down here we have the hedge area, then we need to go to the target down here. So it's and the slippage also gonna make you lose more per trade. So, but it is possible to do this manually. You can try it if you like. You can try it on a demo account. But if you like what you see here, and if you want to support me continuing to work on this robot, continuing to do these streams, you can rent the robot at robotsfx.com/robots. And you don't only get Hedge Ninja, you also get a few other robots in there. Also the Dollar Ninja, I'm gonna look now. Yeah, it did not trade today. No, it didn't trade today. It hasn't traded this year yet, but it has made 200%. Yeah, you can see here 200% profit. It's one of the robots called Dollar Ninja. It's a live account. I trade only 2k. I've withdrawn 3k, so I made 200% of the capital that I had on the account. It's a pretty good. It's only lost 1 day in a little bit more than 1 year. Here you see you started October 2020, profit, loss. This actually would have been profit, but I haven't looked at this robot at all for months, and I should go in and look how it performs. I want to log into remote desktop, and I did it, and I saw it was in drawdown, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna keep looking at it, and it went more and more in drawdown. I was really scared, so all of a sudden, after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 3 in 2020, 11 months, I didn't trust the robot anymore, so I closed it manually. I know we can have 30% drawdown on this robot before it closes, but I closed at -8%. I had done 2% or so this month already before I closed, so it was a really stupid move. But yeah, anyway, the people that run, I have a few people up to, I have like 120k, 60k on Signal Start that follows this robot, $60,000, and the same on MQL5. So these guys are anyway happy. I mean, it has made them a lot of money, even though it will have a full 30% drawdown. They will be on top anyway. So to me, I know it's gonna lose sometime. No robot is winning all the time. I'm gonna just keep it going anyway. I have withdrawn 3k. I have deposited 2.9k. So if I lose everything in here in the account, the 2k, I will still be up $100. So yeah, this is also included in the membership on robotsfx.com. So you have a few robots here. Look here. Yeah, here we see the homepage. That's me. Yes, this is Dollar Ninja, Grid Ninja, Hedge Ninja. This is the robot that we have been using on US 100. So yeah, that's what you get. And I'm looking to add a few more robots, but I don't want to add robots just add robots. I want to have good robots in here. Robots I use myself, like Dollar Ninja. I use it on my Real Money account. It's a setting file for Grid Ninja, so actually it's 2 robots in here. But one with a setting on Dollar Ninja. You can backtest and do a lot of nice settings using the Grid Ninja on other currencies. We have Hedge Ninja. That's the one. I mean, that's the one we use now to earn some money daily on US 100. But okay, thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you on Monday, next week, next day, next trading day. And maybe we do some Bitcoin trade this Saturday or Sunday. We'll see. It's the only thing that's open, or we just relax. I think I'm gonna relax actually.